someone receive a package without a post office box?
They are to pass to the process what the sender in Europe need to do and what the receiver in Laos need to do. The sender in Europe need to receive the name, address, contact information, and postcode of the receiver in Laos.
After that, the sender needs to go to the post office in his or her country.
The sender needs to fill out the form with the name, address, contact information, and postcode of the receiver in Laos.
Please note that the postcode is available online and in the post office. The senders and receiver can walk in or phone the call center at 1442 in order to recast the postcode. The sender needs to pay the shipping fee. Then the sender needs to send any tracking numbers to the receiver.
The receiver in Laos needs to contact the Laos Post Company or its branches nearby. The receiver location. The location of branches are available online or via call center at 1442.
When the receiver come to pick up the packet, she or he need to show her or his ID card or passport and the tracking number to the post officer.
The receiver does not need to pay any shipping or service fee.
In case where the receiver does not pick up her packet, the post office will try to contact the receiver.
If the receiver cannot be contacted for any reason, the post office will coordinate with the village office to check to see if the receiver is a registered resident of that village.
Once the village office has confirmed the residence of the receiver, the post office will issue a letter known as evidence notifying the sender that the packet was not successfully delivered.
In cases where the receiver doesn't pick up his or her packages within 2 weeks for any reason, the post office will send the packages back to the sender.
How can someone open a post office box?
The following are the steps to complete the process of opening the post office box. First, the customer needs to come to the post office with his or her ID card or passport, 3 photos measuring 3 by 4 centimeters. The customer needs to fill out the form provided by the post office.
Customer needs to pay a post office box rental fees of 150,000 kip per year and pay for the installation of the new lock for the post office box.
The next payment will be due annually in cases where the customer doesn't continue to pay the rental fee. The customer is expected to return the key and the post office membership card to the post office.
In case where the packages are too big to fit inside the post office box, the post office will pay a letter inside the post office box notifying the receiver that the packages are under care of the post office. The receiver will then bring the avis found inside the post office box to the post office counter staff to receive his or her packages.
Okay, very good job.